for the next making dinner with just one chicken breast for my family right here. It is going in, and I am making green chili. So I'm gonna let this start boiling, get my chicken all tender, and then I'll add all the good stuff. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, so let me cut up my chicken here. Well, it's cooked, but it's not very tender, so I'm going to let this cook, cut it up so it'll cook a little bit faster because we're hungry. I don't know if anybody else is hungry, but I'm hungry. Okay. And I'm going to skim a little bit of this foam off. Added a little extra water so that it doesn't boil dry. Adding my chicken bouillon. And I forgot to saute my onions. I already added more seasoned salt. And garlic. And since I don't have any onion, I'll just use onion powder. And green chili. I'm only doing a half a can to start to see how intense it is. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil about 15 more minutes. And then hopefully it will be tender. I mean, we could eat it now and I could just chop it into chunks, but let's make it more tender. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 264. Okay, I've got water right here and cornstarch. I'm putting a big scoop of cornstarch in my water and get it all dissolved. That's why you don't have lumps in your gravy. I'm going to chop up my chicken, hopefully. Go taste test. Need more salt. These green chilies are pretty mild, so I'm going to dump the rest in. Sometimes you get hot ones. Those ones aren't that. Okay, now you can serve this with corn tortillas if you want, but I'm serving it with rice and like that. Okay, I ran out of regular cheese, so I used a slice. And some sour cream. If you want, you can put lettuce, tomatoes, sauce on there, whatever you want. But green chili is a great way to go. It's one of our top dinners.